Hey, it's Verlinda Sweeting. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about My Online Startup. Last week, I did a video review, so today I'm just going to give you a little update. So, My Online Startup is a free course. Anybody can join it. If you've never made money online before, or you're looking on ways to make money from home, then this is the course that you need. So if you look to your left here, you can see there's over 50 different videos that you can watch, and you're going to get some mindset. You're going to learn everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. That means you're going to learn how to go out there and find other people's products to promote on your own. Okay. Then you have lead generation. You learn how to build your list, which is really, really important. It's basically teaching you how to build a sustainable online business. It talks about blogging and how to set all of that up on your own, YouTube marketing, form marketing, and solo ads. So that's what you get with this free course. It's a lot of value in here, and you get it all for free. Click the link below and start your free course. Now, members are upgrading and becoming founding partners because they want to share My Online Startup with other people. They want to get paid to give away this free course. So instead of coming here and trying to go to other places and finding products on your own, you can promote My Online Startup by becoming a founding partner. And you see down here below, you see people are becoming founding partners. They're earning commissions, or they're becoming legendary partners. Okay, so let's go over here and click on the founding partner section. Okay, and so once you get over here in this section, you're going to get training, bonuses, how to promote, how to find people who are looking to make money online. You're going to learn a lot of tips and tricks in our insider group that Chuck does on a daily basis, and it's basically a bunch of units that you follow, and that comes with the bonus with being an upgraded member. You also get multiple streams of income, so you don't just earn from My Online Startup, but there's like other sources, other streams of income that you can have with My Online Startup. Then you have the legendary portal. This is where I'm upgraded to. When you come here, you get bonuses, more ways to make money, more training, and all of that. Okay, so on top of that, when you become a founding partner, you also get some of my bonuses as well, and you get my full support, and that's what I do. I help people. So all of this is what you're going to get. So I'm scrolling really fast, but that's what you get when you join me in My Online Startup. So click the button below, and if you're ready to become a founding partner, those are the bonuses that you'll get. I did all those videos myself to help you with My Online Startup. Okay. The last video that I did last week, I shared that I made $682 last week. So this week, there is my progress, 1,232. So that's about 500 and something that I made this week. All right, so here's our Facebook group, and you can see members who are, following the course. They're posting their results. They're sharing some value as well. And you can see members who are they're brand new legendary partners. So what they're doing is they're coming in and they're going through the course. They like what they see, and on their own, they make the decision to become either a founding partner or a legendary partner. Okay, you can see people upgrading. So again, this is the Facebook group. It's free to come in and join it. So go ahead and get into that group, join for free. And then once you get inside, you'll get a link to the group. That way you can come in and see for yourself what's going on. Okay, and not just see it through my video. You can literally come through and see what everybody's up to inside of the group. All right, so I just wanted to make this really short video just to let you know how everything is going so far with My Online Startup. Join for free, learn the system, learn what you have. Like I said, it's for anyone to come in and join for free. If you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, this is your chance to get a free course that will teach you how to do that. And you don't have to promote My Online Startup and make money with it. Like I said, you can go and find other products, okay, and make money with that. All right, and you're going to learn all of that here with My Online Startup. So thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Verlinda Sweeting, and I'll see you in the next video.